like to show you how the washing machine works now. Okay, so pick whatever size of load you have, small, extra small, medium, or large. Dial it to whatever is appropriate. Then choose your temperature. I usually wash warm and then rinse with cold. And then over here is your dial for what type of wash you want. Again, traditionally, we wash at this setting, cotton, normal, 10 minutes. Drop your clothes in here. Please use the provided laundry soap. This is awesome product, local. Just a small scoop like this. That scoop is will be inside. And just throw the laundry soap in the washing machine and hit start.